Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You are watching Techno Blend, and today we are going to talk about the Asus F15 laptop. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. Asus have brought a new laptop in its TUF gaming series, which is the Dash F15 laptop. Let's see what they have brought new for the gamers. Let's quickly start this video and talk about the performance factor of Dash F15. Talking about the performance factor, the Asus TUF-F15 is powered by Intel 11th generation of i7 processor and comes with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 of graphic card. The GeForce 30 series powers the world's fastest laptop for gamers or any creators. So you will get that type of graphic card in this laptop for the gamers and the creators. The streaming level and the multi-processing is gonna be super fast because of this 30 series graphic card. Talking about the space, it comes with DDR4 which has been provided with 32 GB of storage, and you can expand it up to 1 TB in SSD. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the display part of this laptop. Talking about the display part, the Asus TUF-F15 is been provided with 15.6 inch of Full HD display, which is coming up with 100% sRGB, which is gonna make your every detail color look very vibrant, and you will find every color in a very detailed manner. Talking about the display, it is going to provide you with 240 Hz of refresh rate, and it also comes with adaptive syncs, which means while playing games, according to the scenario or any location, the refresh rate is going to change according, and it is going to adapt itself while you are playing games. So gamers, it is going to provide you, it is going to help you and save lot of your battery basically. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the battery part of this laptop. Talking about the battery part, the Asus F15 laptop will provide you 16.6 hours of video playback time, and it is coming up with Type-C charging by Thunderbolt 4. The laptop has been provided with fast charging technology, which means that your laptop will charge 50% in less than 30 minutes. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the additional features about this laptop, because there are so many. Talking about some additional features about Asus F15, let's start with the audio or speaker part. The Asus F15 has been provided with 2 speakers with 4 cutouts to make your sound experience more loud and immersive. It has been powered by DTX Ultra, which will make a virtual 7.1 surround sound experience while you are playing games. And it also comes with two-way noise cancellation to make your sound experience of gaming more enhanced, and it will not be disturbing while anything is around with this two-way noise cancellation. Let's move ahead and talk about the cooling part. The cooling part in this laptop, you will get 4 fans inside it, which comes with 83 blades each fan, which will provide you with self-cooling technology. So don't worry, the laptop is going to remain cool while you are in middle of any game. Talking about the keyboard part, the laptop comes with backlit keyboard. Talking about the connectivity part, let's move ahead and talk about the connectivity part of this laptop. But before that, let me tell you that this laptop comes with an Armoury Crate feature, which means in this laptop you can create your profile according to your game. Talking about the connectivity part of Asus F15 laptop, the Asus F15 laptop is powered by basically Wi-Fi 6, so make your Wi-Fi experience most faster. Let's start with the left side of the laptop. What ports you will get on the left side? Talking about the ports, you will get an power slot, one LAN cable slot, one HDMI slot, one USB slot, one charging Type-C cable slot, and one audio combo jack. Talking about the right side of the laptop, you will get an Kensington lock with two USB Type-A slot on the right side. Let's move ahead and talk about the colors provided in this laptop. The TUF-F15 comes in two colors, which is gonna be Moonlight White and Eclipse Grey. This is all about today's video. What do you think about Asus F15 laptop? Please tell me in the comment box. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.